Assuming you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Star Atlas DAO Polis will go from now on. We will investigate the previous costs of Star Atlas DAO Polis and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is $312 and Polis is at present positioned #572 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Star Atlas DAO is 248,789 of 92 with a market cap of $57,528,668. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Star Atlas DAO's cost has shown a decent increment of 705% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Polis was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 288%. Star Atlas DAO has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast Mini Computer. Our Polis Forecast Mini Computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine an immense range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give an extensive expectation of Star Atlas DAO. Essentially input your ideal time span and see the expected anticipated worth of Star Atlas DAO. Our number cruncher will produce a far-reaching rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We foresee future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations plus estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning help specialized examination on the past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Polis coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume, and hardly any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation Synopsis. Star Atlas DAO Cost Conjecture proposes a chance of Polis exchanging between $40.25 to $48.23 in 2025. Star Atlas DAO Polis is gauged to arrive at a typical cost of $281 toward the finish of 2030. As of the most recent update, Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at around $2312. The negative cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO Polis in 2040 is $135.26, with a possible high of $170.28. Our Star Atlas DAO long haul gauge for 2050 recommends Polis possibly going somewhere in the range of $197.28 and $229.80. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2024. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at least degree of $710. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $207 with the typical exchanging cost of $8.20. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2025. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at least degree of $40.25 in 2025. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $48.23 with the typical cost of $138 all through 2025. Polis value figure for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polis, in 2026 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $788. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $709 with the typical exchanging cost of $453. Star Atlas DAO Polis Value Expectation 2027. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $185 and $81 in 2027. The Polis cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $198 and $43 with the typical cost of $88 and $19 all through 2027. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polis, in 2028 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.27. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $151 with the typical exchanging worth of $131 and est. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2029. Star Atlas DAO cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.79 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Poly's cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2.14 with the typical gauge cost of $0.84. Star Atlas DAO Poly's value expectation 2030. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.72 in 2030. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $3.11 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.81 all through 2030. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture 2031. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $3.91. The Poly's cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $4.71 with the typical worth of $4.05. Star Atlas DAO Poly's value forecast 2032. Star Atlas DAO cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $5.62 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Poly's cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $6.77 with the typical conjecture cost of $5.82. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2033. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $8.39 in 2033. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $9.69 with the typical exchanging cost of $8.63 all through 2033. Star Atlas DAO value estimate 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with viable applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Star Atlas DAO cost figure for 2040, Polis is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $170.18 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Poly's coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $135.26, while the typical cost of the Star Atlas DAO for 2040 is projected to be $144.57. Poly's value conjecture for 2050. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Star Atlas DAO cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $197.18 and can reach as high as $229.80 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $208.23. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture facts. What amount will Star Atlas DAO be worth in 2030? As far as value, Star Atlas DAO has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is figured that Polis will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Star Atlas DAO can raise a